Welcome to ATM Wigs. Today we'll show you the complete care routine for your human hair wig using our signature accessories collection. Let's start. Step 1. Always detangle before washing. Start from the ends and work up to the roots to avoid breakage. Flip the cap outward and clip the ear tabs. Rinse with cool or lukewarm water, never hot, letting the water flow downward to keep strands smooth. Apply about 2 pumps of ATM Wigs Shampoo. Lather in your hands, then smooth from roots to ends in one direction. Rinse thoroughly until no foam remains. Leftover shampoo can dull the hair. Gently squeeze out excess water. Apply ATM protein conditioner to the mid-lengths and ends, avoiding the lace. Leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse with cool water until completely clean. Pat dry with a towel, never rub, and place on a stand to air dry. When hair is 70 to 80% dry, apply ATM Recovery Serum to the mid-lengths and ends, focusing on dry or frizzy areas. Follow with ATM Detangling Hair Spray. Mist evenly, then gently massage to help it absorb. Once fully dry, comb and style as you like. If using heat tools, keep the temperature low to medium. The result: smooth, shiny and beautifully revived hair. For best results, use ATM's complete accessories collection and give your wig the care it deserves.